In China, the next home appliance strategy may not start with the appliance. It may start with health. The important shift is from passive treatment to active prevention. Consumers are not only thinking about health when something goes wrong, they are bringing health into the everyday environment of the home. CBN data and Bosch report that 31% of consumers have already noticed the impact of the home environment on health. For appliance brands, that makes the home more than a place where products sit. It becomes a health management surface. Start with air and water. These are not only technical categories, they are reassurance categories. A purifier, filter, or ventilation product has to answer a consumer question. Can this make my family environment feel safer and more controlled? Then, look at sleep and cooking. Health becomes more persuasive when it attaches to a daily routine. Better sleep, cleaner cooking, nutrition, freshness, and comfort are easier to understand than a vague wellness promise. Cleaning also changes. It is no longer only about saving time. For many households, cleaning connects to hygiene, childcare, elder care, pets, allergies, and peace of mind. That creates a different kind of value story. But health claims need proof. A stronger China playbook moves from specs to sensor data, to a clear scenario, to a repeatable routine, and finally, to trust. If the consumer cannot see the proof, the health claim stays abstract. So before positioning an appliance in China, map the health job. What scene are you entering? What anxiety are you reducing? What proof can the consumer understand? What routine will keep the product relevant after the first purchase? Imagine a Western appliance brand entering China. The same product family may need different stories: air for reassurance, water for safety, sleep for recovery, kitchen for nutrition, and cleaning for hygiene. One category can contain multiple health jobs. Need a China category insight brief for your home, health, or appliance category? Email ChinaMarketDecode@hotmail.com. Subscribe to China Market Decode for source-backed China consumer strategy.